Hello everyone and welcome to this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can make a transparent text in the Capcut PC apps. So first open the Capcut PC apps and select your video that you want to edit. So for example, I have added the video from the library and go to text, select add text, select default. Okay, just change for the text, for example, and you can change for the font style and the font size like this. So to make the transparent text, you are just going to scroll down until you find the opacity. Just decrease the opacity until you find the transparent text, and you can also change for the shadow, add shadow. Okay, change for the scale. So change for the duration of the text, and it's done. So you have the I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you have done that already. Thank you so much for watching.